Any ad that you see on Facebook, do not buy from, ever. So apparently Facebook will advertise anything, even scams. Were you a victim on Facebook? Did you buy one of these? Today we're going to tell you how to get your $100 back for the piece of crap you bought on Facebook that you thought was a DJI. We'll be right back. I swear I bought a DJI for $100 on Facebook. This is what you bought. Luckily for you, you can put a claim in on PayPal to actually get yourself refunded. Stay away from dailymobilegear.com. That site does not exist anymore. Either they got caught and they got found about, technically this is supposed to be the battery compartment is supposed to pop off, and here's the power button. So supposedly they probably got caught, but also the second section of this scam is called www.surprise.shopping. That's the website. There's no .com, so it's www.surprise.shopping, and that's also a scam. I did get a refund, but I still received the product. But this is probably worth about $20. I have no idea. It does have a camera on board, nothing what's shown online when I bought it for $100. But so Facebook promotes scams on their ads. So that's bad news. So do not buy anything that's ad related on Facebook ever, because you don't know if it's real or not, because Facebook doesn't screen their ads that they pay. They're only worried about the money that they make, not about if the stuff is real or people are getting scammed. So Facebook is definitely at fault here. However, you can put a claim into PayPal and they will refund your money, but they do a bait and switch tactic, and that's what this is. This is not what I ordered. Completely different. Matter of fact, the camera that this has is only 480p and I ordered 1080p. So the only other option that this device has is 720p. So obviously, and this is not even the correct the gimbal's supposed to be mechanically movable with a remote. So put a claim into PayPal, escalate it, and you'll get your $100 back. I got it back, so I got this piece of shit for free. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.